Must get treats. You can have one. Oh, okay. Must get treats. So you hide a treat, and they have to find it. It's called enrichment. You're not gonna get anywhere unless you let go. Oh war. Could I please hit the escape key? Denied. Dropped it again. That's better. Oh my god, so cute. Foot hand. What? Why do you hate the broom? Goodbye, seeds. Ha ha ha. Can you put it back? Wow, I'm feeling that. Come look at these spooky owls. Nope. Your tail is blocking my work. Could you please turn around? When that big door is closed, are you trapped? The human thinks so. Tired of the same old food? I think I'll go out to eat. Just a few more here and there. Perfect. Hey, stop that. Great, now I have to start decorating all over again. You don't scare me. I'm fierce. Stop, you're doing it wrong. Gotta do everything myself. Why does he live in there? Wait, he gets their food. Hello, we are lost parrots. Silence. Hey honey, the birds are planning something. Haha. How did she know? Probably your big stupid beak. Are they male or female? It's hard to tell without a DNA test. We'll guess male and call you Bob. Bob was not male. It's okay, it's just light. Oh lol. See, I'll turn it on again. Share please, I'm hungry. You have food in your mouth already. You want me to starve? Human, help. There's a bird in there. The only places you're not allowed are the trash and the kitchen. Okay. Okay. Life goals. Eat seeds. Be in the trash and kitchen as much as possible. How to eat healthy food. A guide by chicken. 1. Scream at it. 2. Throw it. 3. Request junk food. Heck. Oh, it mine. Thank Hop. No, go in the cage. Oh. Hop. I love to catch flies. Do you eat the flies that get in your house? No. Panicked honking. What happened? Are you hurt? Is there an intruder? I don't have money, human, so I made you this gift instead. They're wireless. No birds past this point. Hey, are you going into the kitchen? No, just standing. He he he. That's it. Cage. Now. No cage. And the truth is, we don't fear the scarecrows. I think I may be Workrow. Huh. Because whenever my human is hiding food, I transform into a much more intelligent bird. Chicken? Huh. What do you have? Chicken, no. This isn't my room. Where is my usual perch? Not landing till I find it. Okay, lap 987 will be the one I can feel it. Hey, stop. There, no more buttons to chew. Chicken, no. Chicken, chicken. Who? Chicken, where are you? Chicken? I could say something, but I won't. I'm a special birdie. Some things I do different. How do I fight with this thing? Some things I do the same. But one thing's for sure, my love is just as good. Hat. Scritch please. Sure, just give me 30 seconds. Too slow. Doesn't scritch. Humans so stupid. If I don't eat soon, it's getting dark. If only human would just share her snack. You just ate a whole sweet potato. This is a dog's water. Don't bathe in it, it's not safe. Okay, quiz, should you bathe in the dog's bowl? Yes. Sherlock chicken in the case of the missing food. Whoever ate my food left this trail of crumbs. They should lead me right to the culprit. Oh, it was me.